how to open hotspot on iPhone. So in order to open hotspot on iPhone, we need to set up our hotspot. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, we need to turn on the clicker data, okay, in order to do that. Next step, I'm gonna just go back and go ahead to personal hotspot. If you want to allow others to join, you can just turn on or toggle on this button. But if you want to change your Wi-Fi password, you can just go ahead right here and change your Wi-Fi password. Okay, personal hotspot on your iPhone can provide internet access to other devices signed into your iCloud without requiring you to enter the password. And if you want to maximize compatibility, you can just go ahead right here and just turn on. And now next step, what we want to do is, if you want, let's say for example, to change the name of your personal hotspot, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead to general, and you're gonna go ahead to about, and you go ahead to the name of this iPhone, and you're gonna just erase it and just add the name that you want on your hotspot, and that way you already set up your new hotspot. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.